Hey guys, what's up? This is really stupid, but basically had a free day today, so I figured I'd stop. Well, not really a free day. Had a day off. Well, wow. I had a day where I finished up work early, so I figured I'd get out and start working on the Miata project. If you don't realize it, the Miata engine has blown. Ow! So the Miata's blown, so we're slowly getting ready to pull the engine and go from there. Basically, it's been a long while since the Miata ran. It's been probably 3 months now. Apologies for the echo. So we're going to try and jack it up. I have 4 6-ton jack stands to put it on. First time I'm ever putting it on jack stands this big, and I'm typically, a little frightened to put it on even 3 tons. So we'll see what happens. It's gonna be a project. I've got to start the bike, so we'll see. All right, so I'm actually a little surprised by this, but the bike runs. I haven't put that thing on a charger or whatnot, so I'm gonna just let that warm up. And we're gonna try and jack up the Miata. We're gonna start with the front tires, and we'll see from there. I've already placed chocks in the rear, and my goal is to just jack it up onto the low profile ramp I have here, which honestly should be really easy to do. Alright, and there it is. The car is on one side, is jacked up on the other. Now I've got to move the hoist and get the jack to the other side of the garage, which of course the bike's blocking. Alright, well, the bike's out of the way now, so we can get the jack over here. Just gotta jack it. So our next goal is to come underneath the car and hopefully get to the jack point that's underneath there. I don't know, because the splitter and lip are in the way, and I won't lie, it's gonna be close. We'll see. Alright, so we've touched the jack point, and now basically it's just up. Alright, that's one side. Alright. Alright, so the Miata is now on its front 2 jack stands, so we're just gonna come to the side of the car, give it a shake. A little wobbly, but that's not horrid. Oof. That's actually the highest the car's ever been jacked up, other than the time it's been on a few lifts. Now the fun part. We're going to try and do the same to the rears. This will be fun, and I'm losing light too. I need to get some lighting in here. Alright, so now that we've got some assisted lighting from my, from my Chevy Cruze, which has to make sure it's known, we're going to try and jack this up from the rear diff. Alright, I believe that's touching the rear diff. I'm going to come next to the camera. Oh yeah, that couldn't be more on the rear diff if I wanted it to be. Alright, and there we go. She's on all four. We're going to give her a good shake. Damn, she's sturdy. So now, in theory, Fudge will be able to get underneath her a lot easier. Easy enough for a transmission swap, though. I don't know. Let me check. I mean, it's definitely more than I've ever really given on this car. Ah, fudge. Hey, the transmission's all the way up there. Yeah, I definitely think there will be enough room. Huh. There's a water. Wait, is that water? Oh yeah, it's just condensation. Seems like. Which isn't a great sign, but I don't know. We could definitely go up more. There's plenty of room under here. I say. But I mean, I can get under here pretty nicely. Poor baby. Not a whole lot of rust either. So oil leaks. I know what those are from. I say let's use it for now. Worst comes to worst, we can always go up. But I think that's it for tonight. Cause I'm running out of sunlight, and it's getting cold. It's the middle of winter right now. Well, not really. It's December. It's someday in December. It's some Tuesday in December 24. Alright, so let me pack everything up. The next major goals are going to have to be basically getting the entire front, the front splitter, the front lip, the front bumper, the hood, maybe the fenders, probably the fenders. We're going to basically take apart this entire front end. Hopefully I can store everything back there. Honestly speaking. Just going to take this for now, store it back here. And yeah, I think that's everything for now. We definitely have a decent amount of room underneath her. But yeah, so I've got to put the bike away, so let me do that, and I think I'll see everyone next time. Yeah, definitely next time, because we're going to get some lights going in here.